Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your computer has got the blue screen of death. Every repair option you try draws a blank. It's time to call it a day. Sometimes you can spend hours doing this. You try starting up in safe mode with the command prompts and you keep getting the blue screen of death looping around at startup. So first of all, make sure that you've gone through all these options, but don't throw your computer out. What we'll do is we'll take the hard drive out, we'll take our documents and photographs off the drive, we'll format it and we'll reinstall Windows 10. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the hard drive out of the computer. So with this particular laptop, the hard drive is over here. We just need to take off this cover and take the hard drive out. Best to remove the battery first. So with this laptop, I'm just going to pull this back, pull the battery off. There's one screw over here, I think. Maybe another one there as well. I'll take that one out. And there's our hard drive. We can see this is one of the hard drives with the spinning platters in. It might be time to upgrade to a solid state drive while we're at it. There's a link below this video to get one, but a 240GB hard drive is normally about £20 in the UK, $30 in the US. It's worth getting one of those. You'll be glad that you did because the solid state drives are super fast. So I've removed the caddy from the hard drive. It was just a couple of screws on there to take this bracket off. We're going to access the photographs and documents on the hard drive. If you wanted to, you could clone the complete drive onto your new solid state drive. I'll make another video showing you how to do that, but for now we're just going to get the documents and photographs off here. It could be that the operating system was corrupt or there was a virus on there, so sometimes it's best just to start again with a solid state drive and a fresh installation of Windows 10. Let's see if we can get any photographs and documents off this first. To do that, you need one of these, an external hard drive reader. You can pick these up on Amazon or your local computer store. Basically, it comes with some wires. This you'll need to plug in. It's got a UK plug on this one. A USB cable, which you plug into your computer. And this itself, you put the hard drive onto the dock like that. There's a switch on the back of there, so plug the power in, switch it on, and then put the USB cable into your laptop or computer, and then we can access the files on the hard drive. So let's go and do that now. Okay guys, so we've plugged the hard drive into the PC and it should automatically come up on your computer screen in File Explorer. If it doesn't, if you just go down to the File Explorer on your taskbar down the bottom, and then you can select your hard drive from over here on the left hand side. So this is the external hard drive, and the files that we're looking for, documents, photographs, that kind of thing, is usually going to be in users, so we're going to double click onto there, and on this particular hard drive the files are going to be in this person's name drive here, Betty, and if I click on that, here are all the photographs, documents, the documents up here, look. So what we want to do, we want to see these folders here, and we're going to drag this folder and we're going to put it onto a USB stick that we got plugged into the computer as well. So if you just grab the folder, hold the left click down, and if I just let go and put it onto the USB stick, which is labeled F, that will now copy all of our files onto a USB stick, and you've now got a backup of your documents, photographs, other bits and pieces on a USB stick. Okay, so now we've got the files off the hard drive. It's time to put your replacement hard drive into your laptop or PC, and then we're going to do a fresh installation of Windows 10. Without further ado, let's get Windows 10 installed. You'll need a USB stick for the installation files, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Cue music.